This video will show you how to block a website on Chrome. Here are 2 ways for Windows and Mac computers. First, let's see how to block websites on Chrome. Using professional website blocker tool for Windows and Mac users. Cisdem AppCrypt is an easy-to-use and powerful tool to block websites and lock apps on computer. Its Mac version has been released over 8 years and is constantly being updated. The Windows version will be released in May of this year. You can check its main features on its official site. To block a website on Chrome, download this tool on your computer. After installing, click its icon on the desktop menu bar. Click Open Main window. It will ask you to set the password when you first launch it. The password will be required every time you try to access this tool. Then go to the Web Block tab. Here you can type in the URL you want to block on Chrome, such as YouTube. Click Add. Now go to YouTube on your Chrome. It's blocked. The blocking will also works on other web browsers on your computer, including Safari, Opera, and more. If you want to block a category of websites in bulk, such as porn sites, social media, click Import here. Then choose a category. The Schedule button here is for blocking websites and locking apps in the block list during certain times. Click the clock icon next to a certain website. It allows you to add custom schedule for this website. For example, now I add a custom schedule for YouTube. Set it to block at weekend days. Today is Thursday, so I still can access YouTube on Chrome. The second method to block a website on Chrome is using hosts file. Hosts file is a computer file used in an operating system to map hostnames to IP address. We can edit hosts file to block inappropriate websites on Chrome. Windows users can edit the hosts file in the notepad. The Mac hosts file can be edited using the terminal application. Now I will show you how to block websites on Chrome by editing the hosts file on my Windows computer. First, open Notepad and run it as administrator. Click File, Open. Then navigate to the following path. Select all files if you don't see any files. Open the file and go to the bottom line. Type in 127.0.0.1. Then follow the URL you want to block. For example, if you want to block YouTube, type in 127.0.0.1 youtube.com, then create a new line. Type in 127.0.0.1 www.youtube.com. Save the settings. Then this website will be blocked on Chrome. This is how to block a website on Chrome on Windows and Mac computer. If you are not good with computers, I recommend the first method. Cisdem AppCrypt can help you easily block any website on all web browsers, including Chrome on your computer. I have put AppCrypt's official site link and free download link below the video. Thanks.